We asked Mike Buchanan of Buchanan Access to share his experience using SureFi.
Haven't had really any problems. We had one unit that we didn't think was going to work, found out that we were using the wrong power source. We got the right power source for it, and it worked fine. Pretty surprised on what it could do going through the concrete buildings and concrete walls and stuff like that. Several hundred feet, no big deal. Going out of a solid concrete room, out of a football stadium, it worked just fine. So been pretty successful using it.
Mike shows us another situation where SureFi was a great solution.
So they want to use the same credentials for all of their drivers to get in, as well as be able to program a 7-day timer for the gate to open at certain times. So they have existing access controls in the building that's 250 feet plus, probably more. Plus the access controllers on the other side of the building in the second. They built a new building without any plans for access control out here. No conduit anywhere, so we use wrecked burial shielded wire, and we just saw cut it in with the loops over to the operator for our access control contacts and power. We would prefer to have conduit, but it wasn't an option. So we use the SureFi unit to throw the AWID reader all the way to the building. Access controller confirms it, opens the gate accordingly. Also use the inputs from the gate operator to provide status of the gate operator.
We asked Mike, what would this job look like without SureFi?
This particular job, I'm not an electrician, I'm not an excavator. I can only assume it would cost $5,000 or more to cut the asphalt, trench it to spec that they want it at, get it into the building. Then you got to go through walls and ceilings and hope they're drop in. Wigan is only good for 500 feet. Then you start getting extenders, and then how reliable are you? And then fill it all back in. Access controllers have RS-485 and networking capabilities, so theoretically maybe they could put a network version of their access controller out here, but not all access controllers have that ability. So you don't know what you're working with. Might as well just solve the problem initially instead of trying to create a solution for a problem that may not exist.
When conduit is not an option, use SureFi to take care of your access control needs.